Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
Part 3, just taking the rest of the balls off and taking this apart. Yeah, all balls that I've got. Yeah, and it works out is one that's got a lot on it. And then to the big one. I'm going to put screws in there for the time being, if I get any. Cable, I'm going to dispose of that. Thinking of that, cable, where can I put the cable in? I'll put it in the thing. This one off. Do I need a screwdriver? No, no. Might have to. Like this. No, if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. So I'll cut the cables off. I'll show you what's inside that. So I just bit the cable off. I already opened it up in the corner because I didn't know what would be inside. But then inside one of them, it'll be like, so like that connection with aerial. So you open that up. I can put the metal behind me. And inside of it, see all the copper wire. So I've got, it's all going to be tight, trying to get it all out. Every little bit helps because it might weigh. It's only colour, oh no, bits. Trying a bit of the steel off. Might help me a little bit, but I can get to the copper wire. my tweezers. I do it with tweezers. You know, the copper wire out and that. Like my oil off, so that will be scrap. Yeah. So that's all in there. Soon add up one day. So then now, with this little board here, we'll take all the aluminium off. There's some bits of copper wire on it. Cable. Yeah. So I just get a cable off, and whilst I'm at it, yeah, let's play it.
Come and rub a double with me. I wanna rub a double with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. Think that we could do it all one night long, my girl. We say mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. My pretty lady, me got to wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. That's the way I like it. You're my everyday. The reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. Me say mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. My pretty lady. Me got to mash it up, mash it up. Mash it up, mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, mash it up. That's the way I like it. Come and rub a double with me. I wanna rub a double with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. We could do it all one night long, my girl.
Now just took a bit of aluminium off. Yeah, Ali.
You're my everyday. The reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. Me say mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up. Me got to mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up. That's the way I like it.
That's it now from that. Ali.
Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. rubber-dubber with me. I wanna rubber-dubber with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. Think that we could do it all one night long, my girl. We say mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. My pretty lady, me got to wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. That's the way I like it. You're my everyday. The reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. We say mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. My pretty lady, me got to mash it up, mash it up. Mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, that's the way I like it. Come and rubber-dubber with me. I wanna rubber-dubber with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. I think that we could do it all one night long, my girl. You're my everyday. The reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. Me say mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up, me got to mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, that's the way I like it. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Come and rubber-dubber with me. I wanna rubber-dubber with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. Think that we could do it all one night long, my girl. We say mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. My pretty lady, me got to wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. That's the way I like it. You're my everyday. The reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. We say mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. My pretty lady, me got to mash it up, mash it up. Mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, that's the way I like it. Come and rubber-dubber with me. I wanna rubber-dubber with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. I think that we could do it all one night long, my girl.
put my aluminium in.
You're my everyday, the reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. Me say mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up. Me got to mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, that's the way I like it.
Transform it. True for Alex.
Mix it up. Mix it up. Come and rub a double with me. I wanna rub a double with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. Think that we could do it all one night long, my girl. We say mix it up. Mix it up. My fair lady, me got to wind it up. Wind it up. That's the way I like it. You're my everyday, the reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. Me say mix it up. My fair lady, me got to mash it up. Oh yeah now, mash it up. That's the way I like it. Come and rub a double with me. I wanna rub a double with you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. I think that we could do it all one night long, my girl. You're my everyday, the reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. Me say mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up, oh yeah now. Mix it up.
Alex.
Me got to mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up, oh yeah now. Mash it up. That's the way I like it.
So yeah, this it. Your cable taken apart. I know why I'm ripping these up like this. There's copper wire in it, yeah. But then I can get higher price apparently if I do that, because it gets narrowed down to like singles. might keep one like that, just in case it go, oh, what's all them off? I could just go. Yeah, it's like, okay, boys, is this? Where's batteries in? That's up. Cable cut off. And copper. Chuck all these in jar. Just cut this bit of metal off on this side. Cut it off. Yeah. Yeah. Aluminium heat sink. I'll show you the. It's like. Just come to put it. Oh, man. If anybody's interested in these, please let me know. And yeah, give you till say what is it now? April. It's got a bit of weight here. Because I know some people will have this, like E-Ways Ben, E-Ways Mike, maybe Raphael Scrapper, maybe Ralph Murrick, Scrapping Irish, yeah, put these guys into on YouTube. E-Ways Ben, E-Ways Mike, all the E-Ways guys, Scrapping Irish, Raphael Scrapper. They might be interested in having these off me, and a reasonable offer. If you got any offers on these, you got all gold on both sides. I got some somewhere. Might be in the tool what I just got the phone leaning on. Yeah, the tub just behind it. Where I did take some copper off some bits. I forgot that what I took them off. Oh yeah, that board. Made in Italy. Assembled in Italy. Give you till end of April. Or I don't know. No, I'll just put these to one side, and if anybody's interested in wanting these, yeah, let me know in the comments below, and we'll work something out. Yeah. Till I build up my scrap again, and there's nobody don't want to till I build up my scrap again to take it in again. Take it in. So yeah. Yeah, we'll work something out, and just taking these more bits out aluminium off. Even some copper wire. Yes. Another bit of copper wire. Bit more 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 copper wire. I've got another one in there. Did I put that one in there? No. Yeah. So I've got one of these. Is anybody interested? I've got two of these. And it's got that stainless or something back. Or something on the back. Right, what's not magnetic. Bit more copper wire. We've got magnets very close to it. No.
you. I think that we could do it all one night long now. Come mix it up with me. I wanna mix it up with you. Think that we could do it all one night long, my girl. We said mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. My fair lady. Me got to wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. Wind it up, wind it up. That's the way I like it. You're my everyday. The reason why I say you're the reason why I'm living. We say mix it up, mix it up.
Right, back in a couple of seconds. I'm going to take this screw off, and then I'll show you something else now. Yeah, don't know if that's it. Yeah, right. I just had to mess about a little bit, because I know I'm messing about. Camera's nearly enough getting full. So I just flipped all this off. I know there's probably wire inside that, but I'm going to chuck it in scrap. It's rubbish, because I'm not messing about. There's aluminium. And there's a chunk of aluminium. Copper. If there's a gap, I don't know if there is a gap right between it, where I can still something down it and then smack it out. But you can see I've been trying to smack it out. So this bit this. The fucking lump of fucking copper, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah. I smacked it many times with scissors, fucking knife. So when they can fucking problem like that, it comes out my hand. And then I start calling stuff for fucking what it's not. So yeah. I smacked it with all sorts. Yeah, it won't come out so. Yeah, it's just, I'm not messing about with it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll just figure a way to take that off. I know some people have got ideas. I'll probably got somewhere to put it like that somewhere and smack it off somewhere. You figure someone's up my fucking sleeve, there's nothing there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.